Guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. If you're new here and you're seeing me for the first time, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. But first, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share this video. And all my old subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. So in today's video, I am going to show you guys my own secret hair growth oil. I've been getting a lot of questions in my DMs on Facebook, Instagram, who keep asking me, what do you do to your hair, what do I apply to my hair? The thing is, I apply a lot of things to my hair, and this is one of the things that I apply to my hair, and I've never shared it on this channel before. So I'm going to show you guys how I make these hair growth oils, and you just need simple ingredients that you can find anywhere. The main ingredients in this hair oil is chebe powder and fenugreek powder, but this is also like a dupe hair growth treatment that you can do if you don't have the doe grow hair vitalizer, but you have the sulfur-8 hair cream. So I'm going to show you guys what I did, so keep on watching and stay to the end to see how I did this hair oil. So without wasting time, let's jump straight into this video. So we'll start by measuring out our chebe powder. I don't need to explain it to you guys about the benefits of chebe powder at this point, because I feel almost everybody has seen a video or two about chebe powder. So I'm going to measure about 2 tablespoons of chebe powder, because as you can see, I don't have a lot. And also I am going to use about 2 tablespoons of fenugreek powder, and I am scooping every single thing out because we can't afford to lose anything right now, because all these things are so expensive over here. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to mix everything together, and the next thing I am adding is this hair virgin fertilizer. If you don't have this is quite cheap. So I am going to use sulfur-8 hair cream as well, and I am going to mix both of them together into a separate bowl and melt it. Now I melted this using a double boiling method on low heat. Don't put this directly on your stove. So I melted it, and I am going to go ahead and pour this into my chebe powder mixture. Then after pouring this into the chebe powder, I am going to stir to mix every single thing together, and I'm going to boil the chebe powder mixture for about 1 hour on low heat. You guys, I didn't say medium heat, on low heat. I am going to boil it for about an hour, but if you have enough time on your hands to keep looking after it, you can boil for at least an hour and a half. Now I'm going to add my coconut oil. I don't have any particular measurement for this, but if you need a measurement, you can use 1/4 cup of coconut oil. But if your hair doesn't like coconut oil, you can use jojoba oil, sunflower oil, or even grapeseed oil. These are oils that I know that are very good for hair. You can use any oil of your choice, any oil your hair loves. You can add it in place of coconut oil. So I'm going to double boil this, and I'll come back to show you guys what it looks like. Try to make her mine. 1 hour later, and this is what my mixture looks like. As you can see, the powders have already started settling at the bottom. So this is not where we're going to end this. I am going to cover this and leave it to infuse for 2 to 3 days. Now you can leave this to properly infuse for about 5 days if you're not in a hurry to use it, but I was in a hurry to use this powder that I couldn't wait. So I left mine to infuse for 48 hours. I left it for 2 days, and when I brought it out, this is what it looked like. As you can see, the oil is now thick, very thick, and this is what it looked like. I was so impressed and happy with how this thing turned out. So I'm going to go ahead and sieve the oil out of the powder, because you don't want the powder getting into your hair. I'm going to sieve this, and I'll come back to show you guys what it looks like. And after sieving it out, you don't have to throw the powder away. I'm going to tell you guys what you can do with the powder later on. So this is what the oil looked like after sieving the powder out. You can see how thick this oil is. I love it so much, and the smell of sulfur-8 is also very nice. Some people complain that they don't like the scent, but it's not bad. So this is the residue from the oil. I'm not going to throw this away because I don't want to waste it. I'm going to use this to make a hair mask for my next wash day. So I'm going to keep this properly and leave it to my wash day. Now this is what the oil looks like after pouring it into a container, because I'm going to apply it directly from this container to make it less messy. Guys, this is what the oil looks like. Ignore my hands. My hand is so oily because I just squeezed the oil out and I poured it into this container. So this is what it looks like. I normally make this in a small quantity, in small batches that I can use once or twice because I love using it when it's still fresh. I don't know how to explain it. So I just made this little amount. As you can see, this oil is thick, and once you apply this to your hair, it is going to stay in your hair for a long time. So I normally apply this to my hair and then I weave my hair in 2 parts, or I just pack my hair up and cover it with my hair bonnet and forget my hair for the rest of the week. So that's how I normally do. So I'm going to show you guys how I use this oil. In case you're wondering, you can leave this oil in your hair. You can use this as a pre-poo and then wash your hair the next day if you don't want to leave it on your hair. But you can apply this to your productive style. You can apply this to your hair and weave your hair and just let it be. So as you can see, my hair is dry. I have not applied anything to my hair for a long time. For about 3 days now, I have not applied anything to my hair. No leave-in conditioner, nothing. So this is what my hair looks like. My hair is pretty dry. So I'm going to section my hair into 4 parts. I can section it into 3 or 4 parts. Anyhow you want to section your hair, go ahead and section your hair. And I didn't mention my hair is about 2 months post relaxer. Is almost 2 months post relaxer. So if you look properly, you see that my coils are coming out again. Look closely, you will notice that my hair is growing back again. My roots are all looking coily and all that, and this is what it looks like. My hair has already shrinked. As you can see, my hair has gone up for the normal length. You don't have to wet your hair before applying this at all. So guys, I am done and I'm just folding my hair, and I'm using the pin to keep it in place, and I'm just going to leave my hair like this for as long as I can. as long as I'm not going out. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, leave a comment in the comment section, and help me share this video, and don't skip the ads as well. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.